Hello guys, this is Tech here, and today we're going to take a look at emergency radio made by Lukasa. Alright, so here we have the emergency radio, which also acts as a power bank and a flashlight. In the front there's a window with a pretty standard tuner, and two LEDs for signal strength and charging indication. The tuning is adjusted using the left knob, and the power and volume is adjusted using the right knob. In the middle there's a three-way switch, which is used to switch between FM, AM, and NOAA weather. And the switch on the bottom is used for the alarm feature. There's multiple ways for powering the radio, such as the solar panel on the top, the hand crank in the back which pops out, the micro USB port on the side, or 3 AAA batteries which go into this slot. As for the lights, there are two. The first one is located underneath the solar panel. It's a LED strip which has multiple positions which it can be used in. And here's how the light looks in the dark. Next up is the flashlight on the side. There's a button on the top which toggles the light off and on. And here's how this light looks in the dark. Finally, on the side of the radio there's a flap which has a USB-A port which can be used for charging devices such as phones. There's a micro USB port for charging and a aux out.